I avoided editing the theme in any of the other sections because I wanted to put it separately. So I want to show you how you can edit the colors and put your own header in and stuff like that. So let's go up here and let's go to customize. You can also get to this from within the dashboard. Okay, so what we want to do now is change the header image. Now it comes with headers, but what you can do is you can create your own. So right here it says you need 1600 by 230 pixels of a header to put in here. So just create one that size or have one created. Okay, so I created a custom one real quick. So I'm going to do add new image. Now I'm going to upload, and then I'll do select here, or I could drag and drop it in. Let's drag and drop it in. Let's insert it. Okay, now there's a crop feature here. So if it wasn't the right size, you could crop it. I don't really need to, but I'm going to just do it anyway. And there it is. So let's save and publish. Now look what's happened. Here's our custom banner, and there is the text underneath. So if you roll down here, sometimes they put it in different places. It might be in here. Yeah, so you can click this display header text, and then that goes away. Okay, so that's how you can use the a custom image for the top there. You also have colors. Now this doesn't work on all themes like this one, but some of them will allow you to change colors in different places. Okay, and then navigation. This is where you set the menu. So we have the menu one. We don't need to do anything there. And really that's all we can change in this one. Sometimes you can change the background, but this one doesn't have that. So there may be different things in different themes. Okay, so let's just grab that out of there. Close this. Okay, so there we go. That's how you can customize it with your own banner. Now, if you're good with CSS, you can go further. You can go into here and let's go down to themes. And then you can go down to editor. Now, this is not for everybody, but if you know what you're doing, you can go into the style sheet here and you can make changes. Now, the only problem with doing this directly is if the theme updates, it'll overwrite it. So it's a good idea to use a child theme, and I'll include a separate video on child themes in the package. You can also go and change any of the other codes you like in here. Okay, so now you know how to get WordPress installed and set up, how you can use it for blogging, websites, and for lead capture pages.